Hi, this is Hijin from 1 Minute Text Team. Crypto text today is fundamentally broken. Users interact across multiple wallets, chains, and protocols, DeFi's, NFTs, bridges, and airdrops. Yet text reporting still relies on manual exports, spreadsheet, and centralized black box tools. This creates three major problems. First, users face excessive time cost and uncertainty around whether their text reports are correct. Second, accountants and institutions lack verifiable, reproducible data and cannot independently validate results. Third, government and regulators struggle to enforce compliance due to the fragmented and opaque reporting processes. Despite crypto being fully transparent at the data level, tax compliance remains slow, expensive, and error-prone. But the timing is critical. On-chain activity is exploding in both volume and complexity, making manual tax workflows unsustainable. And crypto tax regulations are becoming clearer and stricter, increasing compliance pressure on users and institutions. Finally, however, on-chain data is uniquely suited for compliance. It is transparent, time-stamped, and verifiable by design. That's why we built 1 Minute Text. 1 Minute Text is an on-chain text optimization engine built for modern crypto users. At its core, it consists of two layers. First, on-chain text engine. It indexes wallet activity directly from blockchain and applies deterministic transparent text logic and produces reproducible, verifiable text output. Second, text strategy layer. It detects text inefficient actions and it explains which transactions trigger taxable events and suggests alternative execution paths to reduce unnecessarily tax exposure. What we used to take days or even weeks, manual exports, back and forth with accountants and high fees, now takes about 1 minute. Lower cost, higher confidence. Let's see the demo. Here, how the demo works. First, you enter your EVM wallet address here. Then you select the text year and the reporting period you want to analyze. And click the Calculate Text button. It takes about 30 to 60 seconds to generate your full annual tax report. Once the calculation is complete, you can see a breakdown of your tax components. This includes your ordinary income, such as income from airdrop and staking, your realized profit and losses from capital gains, your unrealized profit and loss, and your final estimated tax due. You can also review the exact price at which each asset was acquired and disposed of based on historical market prices. According to US tax rules, capital gains are calculated using the FIFO, first in, first out method, which we apply deterministically and transparently. Finally, this is one of the most important features of our product. If you want to realize unrealized profit without increasing your tax burden, 1 Minute Text suggests a tax-free gain harvesting strategy that allows you to realize gain in a compliant and optimized way. This is where we move beyond reporting and start actively optimizing tax outcomes. Our roadmap takes this one step further. We plan to integrate 1 Minute Text directly into wallets by monitoring transactions before signing. We can alert user in real time when a transaction creates a taxable event or when a more tax efficient option exists. Our vision is to move crypto tax from post-hoc reporting to real-time prevention. 1 Minute Tax is not just a tool, it's an on-chain tax infrastructure, transparent, verifiable, and built for the future of crypto. Thank you.